Hi, welcome to Rapper 2.0. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper sword. So first you need two A4s, one with color and one with no color. So right now I'm going to make the blade. So fold it in half. Make sure it's aligned. Okay. Then here again fold it in half. Okay. Then third time, last time. It should be like this. Alright. Then open it. Make like a mini triangle. Here, another triangle. Okay, and okay, okay. So it's like this, then fold it. Okay. So your thing should be looking like this. So second, take tape and fold this part. Like tape it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, here's the sword. Then take your other paper and like fold it like this. Okay. Then you can cut this. Okay. So take one of them. Take the blade. Align the blade with it and start to fold like this. Okay. Keep going until you reach end of paper. Okay. So yeah. I guess it should be. Then just tape it. And just like that, your sword is finished. So it's a 2 minute sword. You can make it under 2 minutes. So if you want, you can change the color of the blade or the top. So yeah, thank you and subscribe for more.